So if you have a pool or something that you need to remove the water out of or off of from on top of it, like this, I have a Intex 24 by 12 pool, and it's covered for the winter. It's winterized and covered. The pillow in this section isn't working too well. So notice how the water, it's pooled up. I have this thing here that I picked up on Amazon. It works pretty decent. It's not a high powered pump with a lot of GPH, but it's fairly cheap and it works pretty well for what it's worth. The only thing I would say that I don't like about this pump is the hose. The hose is kind of stiff and hard to work with. I don't know if that's because it's cold. I don't really think it's because it's cold. I just think it's the type of material that they use for this hose. It's a little stiff and hard to deal with. I find that it works better sideways instead of straight down. So you would just drop it like this in the water, pump in the water, in the middle of the water, or whichever point is the lowest, and then you have the power cord coming out to where you have your outlet, your outdoor outlet. I mean, if you have a pool, then you have somewhere where you usually connect your pump anyway, so you should have an outlet nearby. And this power cord is pretty long, you know, it's very long, so it should reach your power supply. As you can see, it's already spitting water out. This is what it sounds like. Put it back. Now it's on the side. Overall, I do recommend this pump. It's affordable, it works well, it's held up great over time. I definitely recommend it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.